Today we're looking at this Keystone camper with some damage in the front. Most likely a tree fell on it or some branches that damaged it. I purchased it this way. There's really no structural damage to it, just the outside layer. So our plan is we'll fill that with foam to give it some structure, and we'll fill the rest of it with some fiberglass and some sanding. We'll smooth it off and see how it turns out. Here's our damage. I was able to cut out the damaged part, fill it with foam, and I've just sanded over it. Now we'll go ahead and fill that with fiberglass. First coat of fiberglass on this. We'll let this cure and go over it with another coat of fiberglass. Then we'll sand it and go over it with Bondo. Here I have a couple coats of fiberglass, a couple thin coats, and just my beginning coat of Bondo on it. Well, now we'll sand it a little bit, and then we'll do our final Bondo over it. And I also did remove the tape that I had around it. I'll be masking that now. Our first layer of Bondo, I have everything sanded with 80 grit. Now we'll go ahead and do another thin layer of Bondo, pinholes, but filling all the small holes and getting it back into shape. So we have our layer of Bondo on. We'll let that cure. We'll give that another sand with the 80 grit and see how close we are. We will have to do another layer of Bondo to fill some of the air bubbles and the air holes. It's sanded with 80 grit, and we got it pretty good in shape. There's some low spots and stuff, so we'll do our final coat of Bondo over this, and then we'll sand it with a finer grit sandpaper. Repair completed here on this camper. Now we'll go ahead and mask around this. We'll give it a shot of primer, and then we'll also paint it before we do any decal work. So we have all the side decals, front repaired, and all the old decals removed. Trailer's clean, so we're ready to go ahead and put new decals on this. So here we have front of the camper damaged, repaired, and I've covered the area with an American flag. I think it looks great. Thank you for watching.